one of the most intelligent and trainable breeds of dog. They come in a variety of sizes, the standard, medium, miniature, and the tall. Okay, everybody, let's clap our hands together to the tune of Tinikling. Come on guys, clap your hands. Round of applause for our dancing poodle named Panda. Now let me share with you how we train our animals here in the park. Training describes the many ways to look after their physical and mental well-being. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward. We do not punish, force, or hurt our animals. And in this way, we build the relationship based on trust. So before calling our next animal friend, once again, may I remind you to please turn off your camera flashes. Once again, kindly check your cell phone and turn off your camera flashes. Thank you. And without further ado, please welcome our umbrella cockatoo. And here is Coco. Hello, dear Coco. Happy afternoon. So, by the way, Coco is our environmentalist. Now, we have here two trash bins, the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable bin. Now, let's see some demonstration. Coco picks the paper and put it on the biodegradable bin. How about for the second one? Okay, and for the last paper, Coco, come on, you can do it. Alright, now time to close the bin. There you have it. By the way, those materials are decomposable. How about for the plastic cups, Coco? Okay, and for the second one?